Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have my baby cousin and baby Arena here with me, and we're gonna do a makeup lesson. She's been asking me to teach her how to do makeup, so I decided that I thought that would be a great video, and we're gonna just have a beginner-friendly makeup tutorial lesson class. Yeah, the very first thing we're gonna do to get started is start off with a clean face, and Karina has already washed her face and got it ready to get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is moisturizer. Y'all put on moisturizer, right? Next, we're gonna go in with primer. That's the very first thing. And I'll do one side and then you can do the other side. So basically, you just take the primer and you apply it all over your face, starting in the center area. So we want this to be a hands-on tutorial. Okay, so after we put on the primer, real easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Next thing we're gonna use is some handy dandy foundation. And we already know how to put on foundation, right? We just put it all over our face. And I'm just gonna put it all over. And I'm just gonna use tapping, buffing motions. Wham, bam, bam. And you can see just a small difference of foundation. You just need a teeny tiny bit. You got this. What the heck? Next, you can move on to concealer. And what we're going to do for concealer is we're going to put it as our highlight everywhere we want to bring our face forward. So I just put a little tiny bit like that. I'll do the whole nose and have to keep it and try to connect it a little bit over here and her chin. Wham, bam, ham. So she has this beauty blender, so I'm going to use this dry and just to blend out the concealer. If you can look up for me. Looking great. Okay, good job, good job, good job. All right. Next thing we're gonna do is the contour. So I'm gonna use my Sephora contour palette, and we're gonna go into the color Epic and just do her contour. So on her nose, heading towards her mouth, but we're not gonna take it all the way down to her mouth. We're gonna stop right here when we get to the nose part. Do the temples and the corner of the forehead and the jawline, just to make it look more chiseled. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this more powder brush just to blend that out, because we don't want it looking like that. And doing like a buffing up motion. Wham bam ham. Face card is it valid? I think it is. Yes. I usually do the whole face first. So what I would do is highlighter and blush and bronzer first. So which one? You want to finish the face, or you want to remove the eyes and then finish the face?
I can.
Okay, because Karina want to do her eyebrows. So we need our handy dandy pencil. So yeah, you just need a spoolie and a pencil, and you just want to brush your eyebrows up. And then how I like to do my eyebrows is start with the bottom line. So I'm going to make the bottom line first and then fill it in and kind of do the top line to connect it. Okay, so after we fill it in with the pencil, we're going to go clean it up with some concealer. And then I start in the middle of the eyebrow, and I work my way out, and then to the inside. And then I like when it's like no more product on the brush, and once there's like not really any more concealer on the brush, I take that, and that's what I use to clean up the top of the brow. And if you accidentally put too much concealer, you could just use your pencil to color in the spot that you accidentally couldn't got concealer.
This looks crazy.
You gotta clean it up, it's all good. You got it, you got it. You got it. And then go to the Okay, so she's blended it all out, and this is how her eyebrow looks, the one that she did. One. Looks good, just needs more practice, of course, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. And just to keep it simple, we're not going to do any eyeshadow or anything, so you can just go on with some mascara. That's what I use. And I don't think she needs a tutorial for that, or anybody. You just put it on your eyelashes. So, after we finish the eyes, the next thing we're going to get back into the face, and we're just going to finish that off. The only thing is highlighter and blush, and just put it on your brush. And I like to put it on the highest part of the cheekbone, so like right here, and kind of connect it with the top of the eyebrows. We can use circular motions to blend that out as well. And down the middle of your nose, cupid's bow, chin, and I also hit these top of the eyebrows. Yep.
Like right, starting right here?
Is that what I said?
I don't know.
You was right here! Oh, when I was saying it, what you mean?
Sorry, short-term memory.
Alrighty, so she's all glowed up. And the last thing to do is just a little blusher and a finishing powder. I'm sorry, not finishing powder. Setting powder. And then if you just smile, I like to do it like on the apple of the cheekbone, but kind of like up, like over here. And blend it out like that. And then I also put a little bit on the nose, the chin, and the sides of the forehead, just to make it an even look. And wham bam ham, just a light little wash of color. Make a big difference. You already forgot?
I'm trying to make sure.
The last thing is a lipstick, and Karina has requested a certain lip look. Yeah, which is like the black lips with red lipstick.
So hopefully it goes up.
Yeah, it should. It will. So we want to go in with the lip liner. You gotta practice. And I just follow the natural line of the lips. I don't try to overdo it or anything. I just follow the natural line and keep it simple. Like, so I will start here in the cupid's bow and just kind of make her shape. And after I line the lips, then I'm going to take the lipstick and just go on the inside with it. And go back in with the pencil. And if you have a small little brush, you can use it to just blend out the, to blend the pencil and the lipstick together on the edges. What?
I don't think I like this no more.
You don't like it?
Because
this is the one you wanted.
Yeah, but it's not what I expected it to be.
How'd you expect it to be? You think it's too much with your red eyebrows? Look at me. Let me try to see. Now you better?
Yeah, it's better.
Still not what you want. Okay. Well, this is what she asked for, y'all, and she don't like it. You want lip gloss?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try with some lip gloss. So, the very last thing we're gonna do is setting spray, and you just spray your face with the setting spray. Close your eyes. Like 2-3 sprays, you could do your size. Bam! Bam! And you are done, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But this is our finished look. This is what we did in our makeup lesson today. I think it was very beginner friendly. I think it was easy to follow. What do you say, Karina?
Yeah, really easy to follow. Just have to practice my eyebrows.
Yeah.
But everything else was pretty good.
Yes. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the easiest, 1 being the hardest, what would you rate our makeup lesson today?
I would say an 8 because the face part was easy, which is easy to follow your face and easy to blend it out. But the hardest part for me, like I said, is my eyebrows. I had to be real close to a mirror to really get something. So maybe because I wasn't that close, I kind of messed up a little bit, but I'd say 8, yeah.
Okay. I think you did very good. Like I said, just keep on practicing. You know what to do. You just gotta keep on trying, trial and error. And, you know, yeah, just keep on practicing. So this is my side. This is her practice side. But I think she did pretty good. So if you enjoyed our makeup lesson and you learned something and you're following along, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment below your favorite makeup product, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also share it with a friend who wants to learn how to do makeup or is interested in makeup, or somebody you know who would like this video. Until next time.